Today we're doing the Battle at Silverwolf Mountain, Defeat Myurdin quest, and so we will be fighting him. This is the first time that we get to fight this guy, with exception from the very beginning of the game. And so you're going to just do 4 slashing or turn attacks at him right away, and you could, depending on your build, you might be able to get him down that first phase just with 4 or 5 attacks. And don't let him get any attacks in. At least that's what I was able to do with my build. And then just back away from him. And his attacks, he does this little stomp attack, which does his little rocks towards you. He does this jump attack, and it's not too fast. Even though I wasn't able to dodge that, you should be able to dodge away from that. And then that little stomp ground crawl attack that he does. But you can just do that heavy attack right into him. And then he's going to do 2 or 3 slash attacks followed up by that stomping ground attack. And if you're good at dodging, which I am not, then you should be able to do that. And then his special attack is he does all these little lava things that come up out of the ground. So if you run, you can run away from that. And if you need to heal, just come over to this corner right there. And you can heal right there, and don't get too close to him because he'll do a body slam attack like he did on me, and then just run away from him. A lot of his attacks are kind of slow for the most part, so like this jump attack, and you should be able to just get dodge away from that. And then he does like this turning slash attack as well. Again, that body slam is kind of brutal, so make sure that you're healing up. I didn't have the best food situated for this battle, but didn't really need it too much. But there you go. That is how I defeated him the first time, and I'm not going to give you any spoilers on what happens after this, so I am going to end this video right here. But there you go. Give that a try, and let me know if that helps. Take care, and happy gaming, everyone.